Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Today I am showing a quick video. You see, excuse me y'all, I posted this reel on my page and it's kind of blowing up right now. It's gaining momentum, so my phone and iPad has been blowing up to the point, instead of blowing up on my phone, it says 43 likes and then other likes, and this is just after opening it, so excuse the noise. Let's make this as quick as possible. I'm very proud of the reel, but like dang, give your girl a chance to speak or something. Okay, so let's do this again. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you get notified every time I post a new video. So today I am showing y'all my hair care routine for my wigs, and there it goes again. For my wigs and how I wash my hair, break down my hair, the products I use, so forth and so forth. So keep on watching to see how I achieve my hair care just for my wig installs. So guys, we're starting off with dry hair. Right now we're gonna wet it and just prep it to use this cleanser by Softy. I've been using it for a while. I don't really use this every time I wash my hair. I really pull this out once every other month when I know my braids have been in for a while and it just needs a little zhuzh to get it real clean. After using this cleanser, I love going in with my favorite peppermint shampoo and just really cleaning out whatever dirt I have in between my scalp. Do you see the scalping, y'all? Do you see that cleanness? So right now I'm parting my hair in two sections, prepping it to condition it. So this is the part that is key and essential to my hair routine. I love to use the peppermint conditioner, my deep conditioner, as well as my rice water all together. And the way I apply it is using the peppermint conditioner in the front and all around the circumference of my head, which is my thinner parts of my hair, and then I apply the deep conditioner in sections to thoroughly massage the conditioner in there. After I'm done detangling it and making sure it's thoroughly covering my hair, I go in with the rice water just to really penetrate that product in my hair. And afterwards I just let it sit for 15 minutes, then I'll rinse it out. Do you guys see the curls? Let's give it a round of applause for these curls though. Yes, curls are curling. Also, another gadget I've been using that's really been helping my edges to grow thicker is this scalp massager. It's been doing wonders, as you guys can tell. It just looks so full. Now we're going in with the cantilever conditioner. I'm just going to apply it in the front, as well as I'm going to go in with a pomade, this oil pomade mixed with palm oil, mixed with Haitian castor oil, and just, I think, some thyme, if I'm not mistaken. I just mixed it all too. I just noticed that it really thickens my edges. Somebody else gave me this pomade and I've been really loving it. Now I'm just parting my hair and getting ready for the braids, because this hair routine is me prepping my hair for my wigs. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, 90% of the time I am wearing a wig. And to be honest, especially being a wig maker, wigs have allowed me to grow my hair so fast because I do take care of my hair in between installs and I do not really glue down my wigs. So I get to really moisturize my hair in between, oil my scalp to lock in the moisture, as well as making sure I detangle it and don't overly do the braids, like in the sense of not leaving them in for too much of time, because your hair does shed, but it does need to be detangled often. Not too often, but once in a full blue moon. Don't wait no 2-3 months, because now you're pulling hair that are growing with dead hair. So it's good to make sure you refresh your braids at least every 2 to 3 weeks, and that's my suggestion as well. And just remoisturize your hair and lock it with oil. Oil is not a moisture. Oil locks moisture. It does not give hair moisture. So make sure that you're moisturizing your hair as well as using oil to lock it in. And that has been keeping my hair and my curls looking nice even when I wet it, and keeping my hair real thick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I mentioned before, all the products will be listed down below of everything I've used, and all that good stuff. I didn't really include a wig install in this video because I feel like I've done it multiple times. So watch my previous videos of detailed, videos, of course, of how I install my wigs. So I hope to catch you next time on the next video. And while you're here, might as well catch up. Get to know me more. Get to understand me more and more what I do than just hair alone. So go ahead, click them vlogs. Catch up with your girl. Until the next time.